Start off by heating your oil to 300 degrees. Your chicken out of the package, mustard, seasoning, and then mix it all up. Once you've mixed your chicken, go ahead and put your chicken into your mixer with some kind of fish fry or something, and then we'll start frying. We're gonna take our chicken and put them into the basket. So that we can start cooking, and then we'll cook these for 5 to 6 minutes. In this case, I'm going to be doing 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, I'll show you after. This is what they look like after. Hope you enjoyed.